We've all heard the quote, "It's not about having time, it's about making time." Normally from our parents. Well, they didn't face the world we face. All our industries have been disrupted. Consumers expect good experiences with every company they do business with, or they'll go somewhere else. Every company now competes on the customer experience. Who doesn't compete on the customer experience in this room? But do you have time to analyze and improve every interaction with every customer across every channel? Typically, we don't. And yet, the key differentiator between winners and losers in today's experience driven economy is time. To win, you must be the first to identify opportunities and take action. This is true for every business in every industry. We all have to respond to customer needs and increasing expectations immediately, or we lose out. Problem is, that's easier said than done because we can't really plan for these disruptions. And that's where Nexidia Analytics and Quality Central come into the picture. They give you the insight and, more importantly, the time to understand those disruptions immediately, turn them to your advantage, and beat your competitors. And the fact that it's a cloud solution means that you can focus on your business and not on technology. Let's see how automated analytics and quality management helps Wellness Insurance. They are a mid-sized organization that is trying to sell more policies in an efficient and intelligent way through the power of analytics-driven quality. It's day 2 of a new sales campaign, and the organization is going to get an update on where the campaign stands. As you can see, policy renewals are going well, and they're actually on track to exceed target. However, you can see here that they're behind on new policy sales. Now is the time for them to act. This campaign is their one opportunity to drive the business for the rest of the year. The question is, do they have enough data and time to figure out what's happening?
Yes, because they are analyzing all interactions across all channels and calculating sentiment scores, something none of us have time to do without the power of analytics. Nexidia's machine learning is automatically categorizing and detecting anomalies. The application alerted me that an anomaly showed up in my activity dashboard. It's found a spike around a topic of website and mobile app complaints. Volume is going up and new customer sentiment is in the red. Something related to this is making people unhappy. Typically, this requires an extensive manual investigation that takes time. But if I take a look at the auto categorization, which is using machine learning, there's a new application cluster that's tied to self-service. You can also see that it has a strong negative sentiment, and the majority of new applications did not complete. From there, the related topics make it clear that our competitors are heavily marketing their digital and mobile ease of use, and potential customers are actually bringing it up. This is strange because wellness insurance digital solutions are far better than their competitors. However, if we take a look at the contact behavioral analysis, many of the advisors are struggling to communicate what is being offered. They're being asked specific questions and not providing direct answers. And that's frustrating potential customers and driving down sentiment. You've got to keep in mind that even though these situations are less common, every single one is a lost opportunity. This chart is showing a cross-reference against advisor conversion rates, and there's a direct correlation with lost sales. With the power of analytics, I've been given the time to investigate all interactions, understand the root cause, and recommend action to the operation.
We all know evaluating contact quality is key to a good customer experience. However, with random sampling and manual processes, the frontline and executives aren't fully engaged, and the process is not effective. 100% analytics-driven quality has changed that. The analytics team created the metrics and added them to the current automatic quality scorecard. Since it measures every single interaction, we get a complete view of quality associated with new policy sales. You can see here that Newcastle needs the most attention. So to help Newcastle and struggling advisors everywhere, Quality Central can create an automated workflow. This will route interactions with new policy sales challenges directly to the supervisor's dashboards. They don't have to search to find good coaching material. It's automated for them. And what's really great about this is that the company can be sure everyone is focusing on the same initiatives, whether it is new customers or opportunities to promote digital services, or the combination of the two. It's like an expressway to the needle in the haystack. Quality forms will be used to deliver quality feedback and coaching based on the advisor's unique needs. Questions on the form are automatically answered based on findings from Nexidia, and their supervisor can remain focused on their primary task of coaching and developing their advisors. And when supervisors are reviewing calls, they don't have to play the entire recording. They can see the relevant event and bingo, they can get right to it. At the end of the day, wellness insurance provides better quality with fewer resources. So, they're ready to publish the performance metrics for new policyholders to every advisor and supervisor. They're completely aligned with their corporate initiative to empower the staff to self-analyze and adjust.
After 3 days, new policy close rate, which is in the red, is now trending in the right direction. So is positive sentiment on interactions around our digital program, and the Newcastle site has turned the corner. With the help of Nexidia Analytics and Quality Central, Wellness Insurance is able to identify the gaps impacting revenue, efficiently build an automated program to monitor its performance, and more importantly, satisfy customer needs by promoting a digital solution with advisors dedicated to delivering a service customers demand. But this is just one example. All of you experience these sorts of time and competitive pressures every day. If you want to succeed in the competitive customer experience economy, you must make analytics part of everything you do and use the cloud to get you there fast. Learn more how Nexidia Analytics and Quality Central can help you excel in your business.